Welcome everybody to Winter Storm Madness, the show after Money in the Bank. Introducing to ring Mr. Money in the Bank, Alejandro Cortez, and Miss Money in the Bank, Roxanne Perez. These two young stars finally have made it, and now they are both. This couple are now Money in the Bank winners. After all, the odds, after being the smallest guy, the smallest people in their matches, they came out on top. Wow. Look at us now. Look at this place now. It has changed for the better. Us winning is good for us. It's good for the fans. That you will get to experience me finally get what I've always wanted. The World Championship. I finally get to prove everyone wrong, that I do deserve to be on the top of the mountain. And I get to show the whole women's division what the hype around my name was, why I was such a big deal coming into this company. And we are so pleased to have these. We are giving everyone who's fighting for this title a warning that the future is approaching fast. It's Randy Orton, the guy who backstabbed the World Heavyweight Champion Seth Rollins when we thought he was helping him from Logan Paul. He just RKO'd him. Seth Rollins, out of nowhere. The future, Future. Pretty bold for you to call out everyone who's fighting for this title, knowing who is. Because I have faced you, Alejandro. And I remember last time you defeated me. You needed help from Roxanne. And that left me the answer that you need. You can't defeat people like me. You always need someone to help you. Because deep down in your heart, you know you can't defeat a wrestler at my type of level. So, when I do win the World Heavyweight Championship, I will finally put you in your place one more time. And then you'll know you have to try harder than that. And here he is, the World Heavyweight Champion, Seth Rollins. And who said you had a chance at my title? Because last time I checked, one RKO does not make you worthy for this title. No, you have to earn it. Show me that you are worthy for this. You have to earn this. Earn the opportunity to face me. When you're a legend like me, you don't earn everything. You just take it. Watch my matches. Watch what I can do. Tell me, I have earned it. I don't need some flimsy qualifying match. Tell me otherwise. Oh, really? Watch your tape. Well, I'm gonna have to go back a few years for that one, because I haven't seen anything remarkable, worthy enough to get a chance at this world title. So how about this? Show me. Give me your best version next week. Because I am picking your opponent for your #1 contenders match. And if you could beat my hand-picked opponent, then you'll earn a shot at my title. Seth Rollins is gonna pick an opponent for Randy Orton next week, and if he could beat that opponent, then he gets to face Seth Rollins for that World Heavyweight title. After hearing the complaints from our tag division of there being only one set of titles ever since the unification, I have created a solution. Starting next week will be the start of the Raw Tag Team Title Tournament, featuring returning teams like the Minions, the Judgment Day, the Acclaimed, and new tag teams like Best Friends, Braun Breaker and Scooby-Doo, and the Family. In the next few days, Come in the next few days, we will announce the teams in that tournament, with the winner, of course, becoming the new Raw Tag Team Champions. Good luck to everyone involved. Entrance to the ring, Io Sky! Sky, last week, while Rhea Ripley and Raquel Rodriguez were having their exchange of words, try to get a word in, but not before Raquel pushed Rhea Ripley, which knocked down Io Sky before she even get a word in. But now you get her fist in when she faces this woman and her opponent, Rhea Ripley. Rhea Ripley said to Raquel Rodriguez that she's not the only strong woman in this division, that she believes to be stronger than her. Well, let's see. If she could prove that to a test when she faces one of the fastest people, one of the fastest women on this roster, Io Sky. This is a contenders match with a winner going on to face the women's YouTube champion, Raquel Rodriguez. Here we go. Classic old lockup here. Oh, and a shoulder tackle stiff move, and another stiff shoulder tackle. Oh, and now just a stomp on Io Sky. Wow, she was down. Oh, what? Drop kick. Catches Rhea off guard here. Oh, what? Oh, elbow drop to the leg, taking down Rhea Ripley. Super kick and the slam down onto the apron. Now Io Sky was going to bounce off those ropes before Rhea Ripley stopped those plans with a nasty kick to the head. My goodness, that didn't look pretty. Oh, stop to the fist. No mercy, giving no mercy to Io Sky. Oh, Io Sky tried to get out that one, but Rhea had that scouted. Is now gonna pick up Io Sky for suplex cover. 1, 2. Oh, Io Sky still in this after all the punishment that was dished out. But Io Sky now gaining momentum here. Off the ropes into a quick cover. 1, 2, go. We have to do more. We're gonna want to take out Rhea Ripley. No. Pushed into that corner. And now just drive her head into there. Double kicks into that corner moon. Shot. 1, 2, no. Io Sky. You gotta do once again. Oh, I got cut. Slam down. 1, 2. Oh, and still a 2. Just wow. Drop kick, nope. Had it scouted. No. Had that one scouted as well. Oh no. Ooh, super kick to the face. Oh, had that one scouted as well. Spear to Io Sky. That move might have done it for Io. 1, 2, no. Still nothing. And and now a little bit of trading punches here. No, they're trying to gain a little tussle here. Arm drag. Oh, Hurricane Rana! Hurricane Rana! To the top! Oh no! Again! Oh! And another moonsault! 1, 2, no! Pulling everything out but the kitchen sink. No! Oh, looking for the riptide! No! Oh! Oh! What's she looking for? Her arms wrapped around the neck of Rhea Ripley. Io Sky could be making Rhea fade here. Oh! No, wait, no! No, wait! Oh! A cutter! Cutter! A cutter! And now to the sky! 1, 2, 3! Here is your winner! Io Sky! Wow. A brutal match between these two, throwing everything out but the kitchen sink. High flying meeting strength in this match. You could tell these two wanted this shot at the YouTube Championship so badly. But Io Sky proved she wanted this title more. What a fight between these two. Ladies and gentlemen, it is now time for the moment you've all been waiting for. I know. The star of the show is finally here. Please welcome the American Nightmare, the Intercontinental Champion, Cody Rhodes. Oh, and there he is. This man has taken out every single member in the bloodline in an attempt to take out the bloodline for good, to eliminate this nepotism that he doesn't like. And wrestling says it has gone too far. And now he has an open challenge for his Intercontinental title after what his partner Scooby-Doo did to Jey Uso, leaving him injured. First of all, I want to thank Scooby-Doo. Thank you, Scooby-Doo, for taking out the annoying brat that is Jey Uso, who should have even been holding this title. Thank you. Thank you for taking him out for me. That leaves us with no bloodline members in WWE. That leaves us with Braun Breaker and Scooby-Doo being announced to be part of the new Raw Tag Team title tournament. This is great. This is great for WWE. Changes are coming. And I promise they are going to be revolutionary in shaping our future and presence away from this nepotism Samoa family that's gone too far. But enough about them. Enough. More on what's happening right now. What what I'm gonna do right now, laying out a challenge. Yes, a challenge to everyone in the back of that locker room who thinks they have what it takes to try and take this Intercontinental title away from my hands. So who is worthy enough to face me? Now I don't want a joke. I want the best of the best. Who thinks they are better at what I do. Who's it gonna be? Oh, and look who it is! It's the Rookie of WWE. It is the aerial assassin, Will Ospreay. If you guys didn't watch the pre-show, this guy, Paul Heyman, said Will Ospreay. Who was he? Saying that he belongs to the bingo halls and that nobody knows him outside Japan. But judging by that reaction, everyone knows who Will Ospreay is, and the whole crowd is behind him. The aerial assassin, Will Ospreay. Cute nickname. But it's gonna have a whole new name to it. I'm going to assassin any hype you have in this match, any fans you have in this match, and they will all be mine after they realize after the match what a coward you are. You can't beat me. Let's get a ref out here. Enough talking, more fighting. You know, man. We're actually getting this match. Will Ospreay versus Cody Rhodes for the Intercontinental Championship in our main event. And this match has started. And here we go. Oh, a drop kick to Cody Rhodes. And now, caught Will Ospreay with the kick to the face. But watch out for this kid. Oh, and Cody rolling out of the ring. And Will Ospreay, oh my goodness. Caught him there. Cover. 1, 2, kick out of 2. A fast start to this match here. Wait, nope. He's looking for the Cody cutter already. Oh. Looking for his zone cutter. No. Oh. An elbow to the jaw of Will Ospreay. And now smashing his head into a turnbuckle. Drop kick. Oh no! Pushes him off. Super kick to the face. Rocks Cody Rhodes. No, trying to. No. Oh, moonsault to the back. Another one. Nope. Lands on his feet. Oh. Hurricane Rana. Oh, no. Oh! Now Will Ospreay feeling confident in himself. And the crowd is going livid for this guy. Yeah, he's got to focus on this match. No taunting. 1, 2. Ooh. That was a close one. There and no! In front to the outside. Goes Cody Rhodes. Now Cody, oh no, Cody. After that, Cody's leaving. Cody is gonna get himself counted out here. Cody could care less, but wait, Will Ospreay. Oh, Hurricane Rana off the stage. My goodness, that is one way to knock the sense into someone, to put him back into the match. And now Will Ospreay telling Cody to get up. This could be it. This could be it. Oh, and a cutter! A cutter of his own from the ropes. This could do it. 1, 2, no! Cody stays in this. Will could have this match. 1, oh! Hidden blade reversed. And now the cross. Rhodes cover. 1, 2, no! A kick out. Cody Rhodes is realizing this guy has more depth into him. As it's gonna take more than just that crossroads to take out Will Ospreay. But he's determined to get that other one out. Wait, oh! Hidden blade cover. In blade out of nowhere. 1, 2. He's got it. 1, 2. Oh my goodness! Paul Heyman just took out the ref. My goodness! That Paul Heyman, we could have had a brand new Intercontinental Champion. Paul Heyman might have just saved Cody's reign here. And Will Ospreay is furious at Paul Heyman. Oh no, this is not going to be good. Not a position Paul Heyman wants to be in. Will Ospreay is mad. Braun Breaker with the spear. Flattening Will Ospreay. Putting the Intercontinental Champion on Will. Now Paul. Count it. Paul puts the ref back in the ring. 1, 2, 3. Here is your winner. And still the Intercontinental Champion, Cody Rhodes. I gotta admit, that was a close match. I thought we were gonna see a new champion here tonight, but I thought wrong. Because Cody Rhodes, whether you like it or not, is still your Intercontinental Champion. Thanks to Paul Heyman and Braun Breaker. We thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.